So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video I'll be discussing about the Infosys off-campus drive 2022 or Infosys latest off-campus drive 2022. So they're hiring for the system engineer position on the profile. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe. And also I just quickly wanted to discuss about one of the job profile providing platform whose name is Reliable by Unacademy. So I have already discussed about this in our previous video, but this is for the people those who didn't watch our previous video. So it's a very good platform those who are looking for to attend various off campus, or those who are looking to get placed in very good companies, because this is a platform where people are able to get the jobs for various positions, and the salaries they are getting around more than 250 percentage hike. And also it has provided more than 1400 plus offers to the various positions to the various people in within just 1 year. So it's growing very rapidly, and it's a very good platform. And the companies like Grade and Upgrade and the CureFit and various companies like Paytm and the Yellow AI and the Lipio, other companies are hiring, or very good companies are hiring through this platform. So it's totally free of cost. You can apply for various positions through this platform. And if you are interested, or if you are willing to take up some test and to apply for various positions, just go to this website and click on this test option here. So you can see at the left side, you can see various positions or the tests are available for business development test, for business analytics, for associate product management test, and the HR operation associate. There are various positions, or the tests are there based on the your interest. You can choose any of the positions. For example, I am choosing here the suppose the digital marketing test. Suppose I am choosing here, and then you can see book your free slot here, and the salary you can get up to 8 LPA, or more than that also you can get. So once you have booked your slot, you can go to the courses to go through some courses, so that you will be able to do well in the exam, so that you can score more and you can get placed in very good companies. For various technical courses are available for full stack development, front end development, data science, and the software testing. And for the business, there are also various tests like business analytics test courses, and also product management and the digital marketing. There are many courses are available based on year, the exam you are going to attend or the test you are going to attend. You can choose the courses. So if you are not fully satisfied with the the courses you have chosen, then you can get your money refund or the fees refund within 14 days. Within 14 days, if you are feeling that it is not good, or if you are not able to understand something, or if you are not seeing that this is not a suitable course for you, then you can opt for the full refund. The money will be refunded. And I just wanted to quickly discuss about one student here whose name is Shubham Ahuja, and he has scored 50% more than 50% mark in this test, and he has been offered for the digital marketing profile as a manager. And he was from the become a background, and being a freelancer, he understood that yes, this field is more interesting, and this field has the more career growth and all. So he's choosing to become a digital marketer, and here he is, and he is in the big O tech. So I would encourage everyone to go to the website and check if it excites you, or if you think that you can take up the course or something, then you can do that. So now let's discuss about this Infosys off campus. So this is the job ID or the job reference ID. So if you are approaching to any Infosys people or the employee, then you can ask them to refer you for this position, so that you will get more preferences, right? And work experience is needed is 0 years. That means any batch candidates or the people having 0 years of experience can apply. and the job position is system engineer. And here the technology main they are focusing on the Java development only. And if you see these are the primary skills required: microservice, Spring Boot, and Java. And coming to the other parts of the responsibilities, here is the responsibility like good understanding of SDLC or the software development life cycle, analytical ability, logical thinking, awareness of latest technologies and the trends and all. And these are the things needed. And as I told, branch and the batch, any batch candidate can apply, provided you must be ready to join immediately, because this is off campus, not a on campus or something like mass hiring. It is not a mass hiring or something, so they need like the person to be available within 0 to 15 days or an immediate joiner, right? And if you are interested, then click on the apply, then it will take you to the like career page. If you are new to this like the Infosys career page, you need to register, or else you can sign in. So I have signed in into my this like dummy profile here. So here your date of birth you can put, your preferred interview location you can, city you can choose. Although like this is due to the pandemic, they are taking the interviews remotely, but still you can provide some location here based on your preference or something. And previous employer or current employer you can provide, as it is especially for the freshers. You can put NA here, and NA something like from the list. If it is not taking, they can put NA. So if it allows you to fill NA here, then you can fill, or else you can choose other if it is available. Then you can attach your resume. It is mandatory. This is not mandatory, but resume is required field or mandatory. Once you import your resume, then you can click on the apply. That's it. So it will hardly take 1 minute to like apply for this position. Once you have applied, you can check the status of your application, and you can refer to the same. So if you have any doubt regarding this off campus or something, you can let me know in the comment section below. I would like to help you as soon as possible. So guys, thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we'll be discussing about some other off campus drive.